Jessica Andrade is on a downfall right now, and I believe she is dealing with massive problems at the moment. She was losing some fights. She's only 5'2", 62 inches of reach, and she was dealing with numerous losses to Tatiana Suarez, Erin Blankfield, Yan Xiaonan. She'll be just chasing for the money right now. Interestingly, she submitted Amanda Lemus, but that was back in her prime. Now she is going down. Gonna meet Mackenzie Dern, BJJ specialist, 5'4", 63 inches of reach. 13-3 is her record, and she outranked Angela Hill, lost to Yan Xiaonan and Marina Rodriguez, defeated Tesha Torres, Nina Nunez, many other high-level opponents. If this fight gets dragged to the ground, this should be easy squeezy win for Mackenzie Dern. Andrade could score a lucky punch, but Dern has a very decent chin. We've seen what she survived. Also, Andrade has good slams. I don't think Mackenzie Dern will be fishing for that Kimura attempt. Never seen her going for Kimura, but in that case, I will go with fight not going the distance, but side call is Dern. I think Dern is gonna submit her. I'm going Dern submission or Jessica Andrade KO TKO, but I think Dern is gonna submit her.